Okay guys, welcome back to our channel. This is a weekly vlog of our construction update. So this week, end of this week, we are making a progress on our walkway. So this is the walkway from the bridgeway. So there's our CEO. Darata na. Katong kwan palita katong kwan ba ube.
So how they make the stakes out of bamboo.
So this one goes to the turkey hut, and we're gonna be making another one going to the stair, and we're going to use this form just like this one right here. Mike is doing right now. We're gonna pour careful concrete, and I'm gonna put maybe a sand at the edge. So that's how we make this for the edges, foam stakes for the edges. So why don't you continue? Continue. Show them the stairs and everything.
Oh, okay.
And show it to me.
There's the star. Well, have you talked about the stairs yet?
Not too much. Maybe
Okay.
you can explain them.
Well, the guys really crafted these stair railings beautifully. Did it all by hand. Everything is notched. Oops. Speaking of notched.
Here's the model.
The model.
This is all made with tugas, handmade.
All made with tugas.
No
nails.
No nails.
All joint.
Joint. So come over here.
When they varnish this and that, it'll be really pretty. Okay, let's go up. There'll be another handrail here, of course, but they can't be coming very close to this, so they have to plaster and paint it first and put the tile on. So the same on this one.
Look at this one. Look at this. Look how nice it is. Show them this one. Chris, ang good job ni Chris. Show them this.
Yeah, that's
the
really
design
nice,
of Chris.
Chris, it's really nice. Good
This
job.
one.
Chris carved this by hand.
It's nice.
Just took it upon himself and came up with it. So we were wondering what to do with these, and there you go. So I think I can reach out and grab a coconut. Now I got something to hold on to. Yeah,
Did you share in coconut?
I did.
Oh. And come over here. Come over here.
So here's the master here,
Show them
and the other master.
show them the fan.
Oh, you haven't shown this yet.
No.
Yeah, these are the ceiling fans. We had to make the down rods. Went to the hardware store in Tagbilaran and got I think it's a 12 or 14 foot stick of brown metal. Very hard to find here. They don't sell down rods in the Philippines, by the way, that I've seen. So if you're coming from the U.S., either make them like we did or bring them with you. Send them in a crate. But they turned out pretty good. And amazingly, these fans don't wobble at all. So it really worked out well. Here's the base we're going to put up. So it's a 6-inch base. And it'll be colored the same, color as these here. This truss isn't finished being sanded and stained yet, so that's still a work in progress. but it's coming along. So in here, well, not much change in here, unfortunately, but it'll be nice when it's done. So let's go back out to Cora.
It's nice, look at that. Tell them everything.
Yep. Oh, here's what we're gonna. We found a resolve to. If you look down there, you can see how the Coogan is flat, and flat with a straw roof isn't a good thing. So to figure out nailing a 4x4 here is hard to find too, but so we nailed 4 2x2s together to make a 4x4, and nailed them in underneath the gutter, and I put the Coogan on there so you can see here that there's a decline from, and it butts right up to the gutter, and we nailed it down with screwed it down with bamboo, so it looks like it's a part of it. So it worked out really well, and we put a screen on all the gutters. You can see the stuff that's in it already, but so that'll keep us from having to get up and clean it all the time, getting stuff messed up. Because here they put the gutters in the column typically, so it's a little hard to clean out if it's in the column. But it's nice because you don't see them sticking out everywhere on the walls. But just know that that's the way they do that. Okay, here you go. I'll pass you over to Cora.
Oh, do you want to show the driveway? Okay.
I can't tell.
Oh, sorry. Oh, the cam is. I get a cam now. Isn't it nice? I'll show you guys the walkways going to the house. This is how the stairs look like. They just started sanding it. And it looks nice now, even if they're not even finished yet. So the boys is finishing skim coating the walls and putting the rest of the amakan, because I just cut the rest of the amakan the other day. So all the living room space now is covered with amakan. This is my other bathroom. Ha? Pila imong gipalit gi 100 nimo? Oh. Dunay pan.
What is made of?
That's ube. Made of ube.
What is ube?
Ube with cheese.
What is ube?
Ube is a yam. A purple yam. So here's our walkway. And then we also is going to put that that stone thing, stone pattern. So we did a lot. This is the second week of doing this, pouring all this, and then the driveway. Oh, I didn't show you the driveway yet. Here. So it's finished. Gusto mo pa? There you go. Okay. So all we need to do is put the gate in on this one. Put it up to here. This is what the yard look like now. See the difference? Before and after we did it. So we keep all those stones, and this is gonna be an alternate Bermuda stone and Bermuda. As a kid has a bolo. Nice. And then we continue it. You're here. We're having their snacks. So, see the difference before and now. That's the entrance of the house. Look at all my plants here. Go down! Down! Go down! So this is what it looks like. Wa man ninyo butang yung tubig aron ni tubig bugnaw. Na? Oh. What's this? So that's our update for construction. Mike just sitting here looking at the
Wishing I was out on the reef snorkeling.
Had a little bit of
So beautiful.
allergy thing going on, so but he's taking meds now. So thank you guys for watching, and I should shout out all those my new subscriber. But sorry guys, I forgot their name or your name, so next time I'm gonna write them down. There's one from Camigan, from South Dakota, and we have another one from.
Is it Carmen? Carmen and Bohol?
No, they're from Sagbaa. So now Sagbayan, Corelia.
Korea.
The other one, and I forget. So yeah. So I really try, guys, to take a video and everything, and we're just today is kind of like my easy day because it's the payroll day. It's just so thank you all guys for watching our videos, and I know it's not that much help you guys if you have any questions on anything, so just let me know. So that's the way it looks like. So thank you guys for watching, and God bless, and be safe. Thank you.